Hey guys, just saw Black Panther, picked up a ton of awesome swag, and we're gonna I'll show them to you in a bit. Let's do an unboxing.
Hey guys, this is Lena and you're watching Nipponsuki. On today's edition, I'm going to tell you about my experiencing watching Black Panther in Japan and all the awesome swag that they have in the movie theater for you to purchase. So stay tuned, we're going to do a little bit of Black Panther unboxing and no spoilers. Okay, so we went to the movie theaters. Black Panther came out on March the 1st in Japan, so it's kind of behind the rest of the world. They really need to kind of get with the times when it comes to movie theater showings. But I was able to still snag the movie March the 2nd, so the next day, right after work, straight to the movie theater. And it was not sold out. It was a 2D movie theater, so that was fine. There was still a lot of people, but it wasn't like a packed house, and everyone is so quiet when you watch a movie in Japan. Even like when they make jokes, no one's like laughing out loud. It's just kind of like super quiet, and you're just like, but we're laughing anyway, because, you know, enjoying that movie, and it was phenomenal. I'm not giving any spoilers away, but it is definitely one of the best superhero movies of all time. The female characters were just on point at every step of the way. I think my favorite character was Okoye, because not only was she strong and, you know, stoic, but she's able to like put a little bit of her personality here and there that was very surprising. They really bring out her character. I think a lot of actresses probably would have played it very flat, and you know, she was just so funny, and it was just such a great experience. Everyone, if you haven't seen this movie, go check it out. That being said, I wanted to talk a little bit about merchandise. I posted a little video on Facebook about some of the merchandise that they have here in Japan. Here's some of the Black Panther swag at the movie theater. Necklace, pen with a little figurine on it. Got the mask and the claw, some keychains, of course action figures, a Black Panther plushie. That is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I'm not sure what are these. And I really like these files. Besides action figures and t-shirts, the swag that you can get from Japan is a lot different than in America. For example, people love having school supplies like clear files. So they have the most amazing clear files I have ever seen. This one is a 3D clear file, and it is so dope. I can't even tell you how dope this clear file is. Here's the back. So you can just like put your paperwork in here, school homework in here. I'm gonna be using this like all the time. This is like my new favorite clear file. Japan just has the most amazing clear files, and this is definitely gonna be my favorite. They also had a clear file set, and I'm gonna show you what that one looks like. So here's the front. I don't really want to open it, but here's number 2 and number 3. Isn't it gorgeous? And so here's the back side. Purple Panther, Killmonger, Black Panther. So actually this is the back of that one. And please excuse the train, I live near the train station. But here's the back, here's the front. So the back side of this one is T'Challa. And this one's the Purple Panther. And the gorgeous ladies. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous and so awesome. So clear files. I got 3 clear files. And I think when I start working in the game store and have to do role playing, I'll just like use this as like the RPG board if I have to ever run a role playing game like this. I don't know, but this is just, it's so useful. I just don't understand why America is not on the clear file wave when it comes to school supplies, because they are just so handy for so many different things. I don't even know what, but I will show you some of the other things that they have. So here is sharp pens, a mechanical pencil. It has the Black Panther action figure and it's like silver color. It says Black Panther. This one is a pen, purple pen. It's really shiny. I think it could glow in the dark, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm actually giving this as a present to my mom, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see what that looks like. Come out of there. No, they didn't. Japan, I love you. They even put plastic around the figurine. What? That is so Japan. Okay. It's still kind of hard to see, but it's shiny purple. And it just says Black Panther, King of Wakanda. So that's a nice pen. So I got this from my mom because she wanted a pen and a mug. So I'm going to show you next what that mug looks like, because I don't really know what it looks like. So here is the pen and mechanical pencil. I mean, so useful to take to school or to work. I don't really know why America's lacking in that. So here's the mug, Black Panther mug. Also present from my mom. Shh, I'm gonna open this up. It's actually really thick cardboard. Okay, it comes with the top. So the top is wrapped in plastic because Japan gotta wrap every single little thing. So let's get it out. And here is the top for the mug. So if you're drinking hot cocoa, you can put, or tea, coffee, you get the King of Wakanda to help keep it warm for you. So now let's see the mug itself. Ooh. Wow, that's so nice. And with the top, fits perfectly. And it says the Black Panther made in Wakanda. That is so funny. Is there any vibranium in there? Drink something and have some, I don't know, what was that purple flower called? This is so cute. She's gonna love that. Keep that at work. Stick that back in the box. And I'll rewrap that up later. But this is what the mug looks like. So some other swag that I got for a friend of mine, I'm going to show you right quick because I think it's just absolutely neat that they have it. And that is these bandanas. They have purple Black Panther bandanas. I mean, that is just so cool. I've not seen these in America. I've seen t-shirts and action figures, but bandanas and school supplies, they need to come with it. Like, these are just so neat. Okay, and So, oh, I also got her some pieces of flair because pins are awesome swag that you can stick on any bag to show your love. And last but not least, I couldn't decide. I was totally APing on whether or not to buy Funko Pops or action figures because I am leaving Japan and I just didn't know which one to get. And I loved Nakia, so I got a Funko Pop for her. I absolutely love Shuri. Oh, here's her Funko Pop. And last but not least, my absolute favorite was Okoye. And here's her Funko Pop. And they're like Black Panther queens. I was like Charlie's Angels, but no, Black Panther's queens. They are just like, they need their own TV show. I would so watch that. And this is my first Funko Pop purchase. In Japan, you can buy all of this merchandise in the movie theater. So one thing I'm thinking is, why don't American movie theaters sell movie merchandise like they do here in Japan? They could cut deals with the studios. People will pay. This is probably the most money I have ever spent on a movie in a movie theater in my entire life. And people will pay for this. Like, you don't need to have $100 popcorn, you know, just sell the merchandise. I really don't get it. But here are some of the other pops that they had in the movie theater. And it's really cool because you don't have to like hunt them down like this is in Target, this is in Walmart, this is on the website. No, it's just all in the movie theater in one place where you would expect it to be. I don't know. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the movie. What items would you like? You can leave me a comment below. And I'm also doing a special bag of swag, Black Panther loot box. If you are interested, I will try to purchase some of these awesome items and more. They had towels. They had, of course, the action figures, Funko Pops, keychains, pins. I think actually America has more t-shirts than Japan did, like at Hot Topic, but I mean the clear files, y'all, the clear files. Just leave me a comment below and check the description box for a link for that Black Panther loot crate from Japan that I'm putting together. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a list of some of the swag that will be available. I'm going to choose 4 or 5 random items and put them in the loot crate. The reason why is that I don't want to have to chase down certain items if they're sold out. Also, I can't separate these items because I need it to be something worth going to the post office for. Also, you need to hurry up because it'll only be available to the end of this month before I leave Japan. So, yeah, only available for a limited time. So check the description box for the link and get your own Black Panther loot crate.